Early morning. Finally showed up. Jeezy back on duty. What's going on, Honda fam? So finally got the PRL silicone intake hose installed, as well as the filter. I mean, you know, I just decided to give it a shot and see if there's any difference at all. So we're gonna go ahead and test drive this thing, and I'll let you guys know. Stick around. Alongside the PRL filter. Eddie. Well, there it is, folks. The PRL Motorsport Stage 1 intake system. Finally had it installed this morning. And from my own personal experience, I believe it did increase the turbocharger spool, as well as a little bit of increased flow throughout the entire power band. I can feel there's probably about maybe 6 to 7 horsepower increase, and a little bit of difference as far as the throttle response with the PRL Stage 1 intake. But overall, I think it's a great experience. Definitely go get it. I mean, it does make a little bit of difference. Any kind of difference is a huge difference for me. So, folks, that's what it is. We're going to go ahead and wrap this up. And thank you so much for tuning in. If you like the content, go ahead and press that like button and subscribe. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. Until next time, peace, and we are out.